The 2015 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, power passenger seat, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, premium sound system, rear defrost. Your new ride is just a phone call away.